loves, welcome back. I cannot wait to share this brutally honest review with you. I haven't done one of these in far too long, probably because I've been focusing on pregnancy content, but these are the most watched videos on my channel. I have so many great relevant ones, so go back and check if there's anything else that you're interested in checking out. But I'm really excited for this one today. I just got this product in the mail. I'm skeptical. I'm really unsure. I'm hopeful, but I have no idea. Anytime it's like a higher price point, non-toxic item, I'm always skeptical. So it's a perfect kind of product to do a review of. And that product today is the Westman Atelier Bonne Brow Defining Pencil, okay? Eyebrow pencil. Everyone needs one. There's 4 shades, hoping that they have the right shade for me because currently I'm using the Kosas brow pencil. It's my favorite one just because of the shape and everything, but the color is a little off. I think I'm between colors, or the color that I have right now is a little bit warm. So I'm hoping that the pigment and the shades in this pencil are a little bit better. I hope also that it's thin, so it gives me like some nice sharp lines. I hope it lasts a long time because really those are the things I'm looking for in a brow pencil. And my brows are generally pretty sparse. I have long brows, but there's some thickness to be desired. So if you are also struggling with thinner brows and you want a bold brow look, we're gonna see if this brow pencil is what we need. Like I said, today we are reviewing the Westman Atelier Bonne Brow Defining Pencil. It has 8 5-star reviews on Credo, which seems promising, and that's where I love to shop for beauty, but they also have it on Sephora. They have it on the Westman Atelier website. It is $38. 4 shades, like I said. I'm using the color Clay, which is good for kind of the dark blonde, light brown category. Completely non-toxic ingredients. Was created by a famous makeup artist, so maybe she knows what she's doing. I have a feeling. And it has the slim, sharp pencil edge and then the spoolie edge so you can brush up the fibers of your eyebrow hairs and then kind of fill in the spaces in between, which I actually find to be very, very convenient. The Kosas one also has that. So let's give it a shot. I have so many holes in my brow. It's really a problem. And I am by no means a makeup artist. I have a video on my channel from the beginning where my love Carson Stern, who is a makeup artist, taught me how to do brows. And she has a strategy for going backwards, but I kind of just go all over the place. So this is not about technique. It's just about seeing the product. And so far, the color match is really good. I love the shape of the pencil. It does worry me that it will dull out a little bit, and I wish there was a way to sharpen pencils that are retractable, because I really, really hate pencils that you have to sharpen. I like a retractable pencil because I'm lazy, but I feel like this sharp edge will dull out a little bit and it won't be quite as good as this initial use. But so far, I am absolutely loving it. I don't know if it looks a little heavy-handed, but I feel like just since the color is so good, it looks really natural. And then I also love to kind of spoolie midway or in between and just kind of soften that edge that I create on the bottom and on the top. So it looks like it just blends into natural hair fibers a little bit better. I don't know. This is looking pretty good. This is definitely, is it better than my Kosas one? Have you loves ever tried the Kosas one? How do you feel about it? Let me know. It's literally the one I always recommend now, and it might be changing my mind. What's happening? Ugh, you never know with these reviews. It is a crapshoot. Sometimes I hate the product, but this one might have me convinced. I don't know why I hate to say it. Probably because it's $38, but I really love this brow pencil. I feel like the shade is so spot on. It just matches my coloring. There's only 4 shades, so I don't know if this will match everyone's coloring, but if you have similar hair color, brow color to me, it's really good. Also, I filmed the beginning of this video like 5 hours ago, It looks great. I went on a walk in the sun. I sweated. It's still there. It's just a really good brow pencil. And the one thing I don't like about it, like my one critique, just to wrap this up, is it's a little bit of a chunky fat stick. I don't love the hand feel of it. I actually like the xoxo one better, how it's thinner. And I don't know if you can hear, but it kind of rattles around in this packaging. I don't know why that annoys me, but it just doesn't feel very secure. But I can't really find anything else wrong with it besides that. I feel like this is going to be such a good product, and I just really, really like it. It lasts for 12 months. Yeah, right. I'll probably use all of it in like 4 months because the brows really do look nice. And this is without any brow gel or other brow product. So maybe that price point is actually worthwhile, since with the xoxo I'm using all 3 of the brow products to get this kind of look. Westman Atelier, I haven't been the biggest fan of some of your products, but this is worth the $38. Yes, I would buy this. Yes, I would recommend this to you. And as always, if you do decide to buy this product, with the link in the description below, I do get a kickback, which I 100% put back into buying new products to test and review for you loves. So just know that if you are buying from my links, it's always supporting me, which I really, really appreciate. I also have a 10% off Credo code if it's your first time shopping Credo down below. Check that out. And then let me know if there's any other products that you want me to do a brutally honest review of. I am so happy to, as long as it's non-toxic, because that's what we're doing over here. Plus, I'm going to be either pregnant or breastfeeding for the foreseeable future. So if it's not non-toxic, I can't use it. But thank you for the distraction today. I am 38 weeks and just waiting for this baby to come. I'm such a control freak. It's really hard for me to just chill and wait for her. So doing this today is actually really good for my mental health, because I just need distraction, and I'm just gonna keep them coming. I mean, please, dear God, hopefully on week 41, I'm not sitting here just like doing a lipstick review like a crazy person, literally about to blow my brains out because I can't wait to meet this baby. But I love you. I really appreciate you being here. Subscribe to your girl. I'm trying to grow this channel, and let me know if there's anything that you want to see, because I am here for you. I also have Coachella FOMO. On my stories today on Instagram, I posted all the things that I would wear to Coachella if I wasn't pregnant. So your girl's spiraling a little bit. And at least, no matter what's happening, no matter how you feel about anything else, you can always do your brows and make them look good. So we support you, Westman Atelier. Gucci Westman's also a really cool character. I've listened to her on a few podcasts. She's been around for a long time, since the pretty much late 90s, early 2000s, pretty sure, doing a lot of Vogue. So props to you, Gucci. I really like this product. And that's all the ramblings I have for you for now. See you next week.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.